Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to learn our last part of syllabus. Is in this term. It's the last part, fact files. Okay. Miss, what is fact files? What is fact file? It is a part of writing skill. Okay. The fact file is a written document containing essential fact. Okay, it is a written document that contains the essential fact, means necessary facts arranged in a sequence. Means it is, we are going to arrange these facts in a sequence or in a order of interest to the reader. Okay, order of interest of the to the reader of a person, place or event. Then what is essential for the for to write the fact file? Means from the title itself it is evident that only facts must be recorded. Means whatever title, that itself is evident that only facts must be recorded. Means from the only title we can understand what means related to that title only we are going to write the fact file. Okay. The facts cannot be distorted. It should be not distorted, means only related to this title you have to write these remaining points. Okay, means first only there is a title of this fact file you are going to write, and after that means remaining points are related to this first point, means title. Then next is the fact, if one is not absolutely sure of the fact, it is better to omit that point rather than write down something that is wrong. Means if one is not absolutely sure of this fact, means if you don't know about that fact, then you have to don't write, means you have to omit this point. Means don't write this point answer rather than write down something that is wrong. Means rather than don't write the wrong things, you have to omit this point. Okay, it is better to omit this point and don't write the wrong things. Okay, like this way, this point you have to means keep in mind that things are very necessary while writing the fact file. Then see, here is a model example of, yes, it is your textbook example. What vocation, profession, business would you like to take up in future? Prepare a fact file for the same using the following points. Means here related to the vocation, means what is the title of this fact file? Vocation. Okay, and means vocation is the means related to vocation, profession or business. Okay, that you are going to write, means related to this. For example, see, points are how these points are: name of the vocation, profession, business. For example, you want to become a teacher, then you can write the teacher, professor, lawyer, okay, doctor, like this way. But if you once selected the title of this name of the profession or vocation or any other, for example, you are going to write the name of any story or okay, like this means you have to only related to that story, remaining points should be related to this first title only. Means see, here is name of the vocation, profession, business. Means here is solving example also given. Means here is given professor. Means profession is or business is professor or vocation is professor. Then next is qualification required. For professor, which qualification is required? Okay, for doctor there is, means if there is a doctor, then there is need to be MBBS. Now here is given professor, that's why for that there is related Master of Art or Science degree with Bachelor or Master of Education degree. Means if you want to become a professor, then there should be need the qualification Master of Art, means MA or MSc or MCom. Okay, and it is with the other degree Bachelor of Education degree, means BEd. Okay, with B.Ed. Bachelor of Education degree means B.Ed. Means there should be need for professor, MA, MSc, MCom and B.Ed. Means Master of Art or Science or Commerce, and Bachelor or Master of Education degree. These are the qualification required. Then next point is work profile description. Means what is the work? Means what is the structure of that work of professor? Means imparting academic input to students. Means is giving the input. Imparting means dividing his knowledge to the student. Okay, is giving his knowledge to the student. Then next is opportunities for advancement. What opportunities are there in the future for professor? Then there may be, means he will become in future from professor to vice principal or principal also. Okay. Then your personal skill, talent. What talent or personal skill required for professor? Your communication skill. Then your creativity, problem solving. These are the means talent or skill required for the professor. Okay, like this way. Yeah, you are going to write the means whatever there is given the fact file title related to this only you have to write your points. Really, okay. Means you have to select. For example, here is you see exam name of the story. Then you have to select there only name of the story only. Okay. For example, Akbar Birbal. Then Akbar Birbal story is related to moral value. Means type of story moral. Okay. Setting, time and place is that it is means ancient story. Okay, is that related to the palace, king, okay, queen, his court, like this way, setting and time. Important characters are there, Birbal and Akbar, okay, and his courtiers. Then theme means to reaching out to moral, okay, to deserve the moral. Then conflict and dilemma means it is a conflict related to dramatic event, okay, and solution means pleasant has a moral. Means solution at the end of the Akbar and Birbal story, it is always pleasant. Okay, always pleasant, always happiness, that brings out the moral. Like this way you can write. Means if you whatever you are selected the story, that story you should be, you must be know about that full story. Whatever means you must be read, before that you have to read the story. Okay, like this way which you have to write the fact file. Like this way our syllabus also finished. Okay, related to your whatever given your textbook, means textual grammar, okay, that you have to prepare for your exam. Only related to this textbook only there is a means questions for exam. Okay, no other questions from out of textbook, and that's why you have to read this textbook, solve the grammar related to lessons and prepare for exam. Okay, like this way you have to prepare yourself, and best of luck for your exam. Okay, thank you.